setup and realizing why I have a technology channel and not a home improvement channel. For starters, we come down into our Eufy app and then we select Add New Device and then scroll down till we find the Smart Box. We select the SmartDrop and it wants us to pick our Wi-Fi connection. So I'm going to slap this over to my IoT network and put in my logon credentials. After which we have to push the sync button inside the box here. So we're going to do that. Wait for 2 seconds. I did hear the beep. So we're going to select next. It's going to generate a QR code on my phone, which we then put in front of the smart box.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
And you may or may not have heard that, but it said connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait. So you heard 2 beeps. I heard beep beep. I select next. And now it is connecting.
Setup was successful.
To the Wi-Fi network. And the long name for this particular thing has sensed somebody walking.
Open button to make a delivery.
And it's prompting me to press open button right here to make a delivery.
Enter the PIN code on the address label and press open.
And it's giving me
press open button to make a delivery.
And it's giving me instructions because, well, I haven't really set up anything else in the app. So let's hit next. We're going to give it a name so that it actually comes up with something other than the long name for this. And I'm going to call this SmartDrop and select next. And we have to come up with a master PIN code, but using just those numbers. And select next. We must verify our PIN code and select next. So now we have our PIN code in place. So we've got open methods, open Swift, open PIN, and press to open, no PIN required. These will be covered in the apps portion, but right now it's recommending that the SmartDrop will switch to press OK when it is empty, which means when I come in and close it, it will only require the open button. But I'm going to switch it down to no PIN required right now because, well, I haven't set up any deliveries that require a PIN, and I am expecting some packages and I want to see if people will actually use this. So I'm going to select next.
Open button to make a delivery.
So this one is saying, are you sure you want to do this? Because SmartDrop cannot identify deliveries in this mode. We're going to hit confirm right now because, like I said, I don't want to have somebody trying to type in a PIN when there's no PIN.
Open button to make a delivery.
And that's going to keep going off. As you can see right now, you can do cloud storage. You can activate it for free. This is going to be a trial, which will allow you to have 30 days free. If you don't do this method, you won't be able to have recordings. Based on some of the other videos that I've watched, in the future, they will be allowing you to pair this to a home base too. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to activate our free trial just to give you the best information that's possible right now. Added successfully, I have installed the SmartDrop skip, or I can install guide. Selecting install guide is pretty much what we read on the side of the box. So we don't really need that, but we'll swipe, 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 swipe. Here we go, and done. And this right here is our SmartDrop staring at me.